Hey, VV Nation, a couple of things that I want to take the time out this morning to tell you what to be prepared for the upcoming week. Big one, Consumer Price Index and Disney earnings, what to know. The markets this week. Big thing about Disney going through some political stuff right now. Want to see if the stock is going to be adversely affected in their earnings in regards to what's going on there. But the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, which tracks inflation, coming out this Wednesday, will be one of the most widely watched or closely watched economic reports this week. The headline index is expected to decelerate on both a month-over-month and year-over-year basis. Now, this could be interesting if inflation is getting better, even though it's still high. What does the Fed do? Do they still keep raising the interest rate at the rate that they're doing right now? Next one, Rivian, which was an EV company backed by Amazon and both Ford. Ford is selling its shares in Rivian at a discount. Ford is aggressively going into the EV business to go after Tesla. Next one, BBIG, stock that's made a big move. Why is it making a big move? Because they're separating. In order to effectively separate Vinco and Cryptide into two independent publicly traded companies, the stock's price took off like crazy. And another stock that's gone up nicely, SIDU, Cityspace and Dhruva Space will explore collaborations to support missions in space programs in India and the U.S. through strategic alignment and value-added agreements. So, folks, space is important right now. It could be the final frontier, and these could be the voyages to exchange strange new places and seek out new civilizations and to boldly go where no one has gone before. Folks, just a couple of things for you guys to keep your eyes on for the week coming up. See you later.